Let's do show and tell.
Actually, it made me think of it because Tom posted
I think everybody's got show and
the
tell.
book
today.
from '78 and how, like compared to today's with the artwork and the way that they laid out interiors and exteriors. So feel free. This was what the salesman would use to study to learn the car before he tried to sell it. Unlike when I bought my last one, I explained how features worked rather than the individual, but all the different functions.
Oh, that's back when they cared at the dealership.
What I cracked, and then you'll have to put this not online, but they also have an entire page of Cadillac milestones. So when I need a new password for work, I go to the next year. And I make a derivative of that so I can always remember. So, and then for colors, they gave you a whole swatch of the leather.
No kidding.
All the colors of the leather, fabrics, and then for each, if it was a DeVille or if it was a Calais or all the way up to the Brougham. And then, so for example, my car original is this color, and then this is the top that would have gotten it based upon the data tag along with the green. So it would have been all green, but I can't find a top like that. But all the colors, exterior available in here with all the recommended. You could still get it any way you wanted, but they
I hear
told
Marvin the Martian's top.
what tops you could go with.
Oh my God, Andre.
The vinyl tops in here as well for all the different sections, and then the padded roofs if they're the elk grain, they kind of match. Whoops.
actually padding.
Compared to these, they put a layer of padding underneath it, but it's the same grain as the seats. It uses the same
So
kind of
what
grain.
color is the top now?
White. Or at least it was when I put it down 15 years ago. I haven't taken the parade boot off. It won't go up anymore.
It's called tattered.
No, it's still, probably still in one piece, but so every salesman got his little data book.
Look at how nice that
Had
is.
to
Look at
study
how
it.
plush it is.
Yep.
All right.
Cool deal.
And there are a couple different versions of the brochure because I
Tonight's
brought one.
word is plush.
Plush.
Plush. You don't want plush to be moist, or do you, Andre?
Depends.
Yeah.
Depends on if the
I'd
last
ask
check
Andre.
bounced.
Oh.
So when we were talking about maybe looking at this, this is where I went to check the weight of the convertible.
Got it.
5153.
That's good.
And I ran a quarter of a tank out of gas out of it yesterday, so it wasn't even over that.
Good idea. Pretty. All right. On to our next show and tell. Paul has
Yeah, you made
everything.
me think of it because
Everything!